Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Joab. So impersonation has become something that is very high nowadays, especially on social media where Facebook and other social media accounts are hacked, and even WhatsApp now accounts are being hacked and used for purposes that are not good. And because of that, you need to protect your account from intruders. You need to protect your account from others so that they won't be able to get easy access to it and hack it in the first place. And to do this, we have the Facebook two-factor authentication. That is that even if the person is able to get your password, the person will not have access to whatever details that the person is going to change. So the person will not be able to log in on a new device without your consent or your notice. So what you do is, first thing is that you go to settings, come to security and login, and from security and login you can change your password. If you are using your age, you are using your date of birth or anything common to you and you are using it there, you can change the password to a stronger password to make it very strong. And secondly, you come here, use two-factor authentication. And a two-factor authentication is this, that whenever someone is to log into your account, the person has to get access to the other method. So if you're using SMS, that would mean that the person will an SMS will be sent to your number, the number you use. And when the SMS is sent, you decide as to whether to send the SMS to the person or not. And that is to prevent the person from getting easy access to it. And the authentication app is also an app that is on your phone. Actually, I have this app on my phone, Google Authenticator. You can also download the Google Authenticator where you log in, you sync your Facebook details with it. So for now, I'm not going to sync my Facebook details with it, but that's basically what you do. So when you use SMS, you enter your number. That's the common way. But if your phone is missing, that's where they're able to get you easily. And the other one is if your Google account is compromised. But I think using these methods are the best to help protect your account. So keep safe and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tricks and tips.